Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Pranjali here. See, in the series of DBMS MCQs, we will see the next set of questions for the topic SQL. So let's start the question answers. So our first question is, aggregate functions are functions that take a fill in the blank as input and return a single value. And options are collection of values, single value, aggregate value, and both A and B. C. Aggregate functions are the functions that take a collection of values as input and return a single value. And these functions are like min, max, count, sum, and average. Alright, so the correct answer is collection of values. Let's see the second question. Which SQL statement is used to update a database table schema? Options are update table, modify table, alter table, and change table. C. Generally, data definition language commands are used to define the different structures in the database. And DDL statements are used to create, modify, and remove the database objects like tables, users, views, etc. Okay, so these DDL commands are create, alter, drop, and truncate. So the right option is alter table. Now come to the next question. You can add a row using SQL in a database with which of the following? Options are add, create, insert, alter. What we are doing? We are adding a row using SQL in the database, right? So the right option is insert statement. Okay, insert is a data manipulation language command. Now come to the next question. Which SQL command delete all the records and does not remove the structure? Options are drop, insert, truncate, delete. See, in the last video I have discussed about you can say difference between the delete, truncate and drop statements. So if you want to go through about these topics, right, then I have given the link in the description box. So the right option is truncate table. Truncate command basically delete all the data from a table and the structure of the table is preserved. Alright, so come to the next question. The SQL where clause, options are limits the column data that are returned, limits the row data that are returned, both A and B are correct, neither A nor B are correct. Basically in SQL, where clause is used to specify the conditions, right? So when we specify the condition, what it will do? It will limits the row data that are returned. So the right option is B. Now come to the next question. Which of the following is a data definition language command? Options are delete, insert, drop, merge. So the DDL commands are create, alter, drop and truncate. So the right option is drop. Come to the next question. A SQL database view, options are contains data not stored in the database tables, is computed using a SQL query, takes up more disk space whenever more data is added to the database, is a way to improve the read time of a table in a database. See, view is a virtual table that actually does not exist, right? So the right option is computed using a SQL query. Means it limit a view of a table. Means we don't want to view the entire table, we just want a part of it. That's why we write a query for the view. So that is why it is saying that a SQL database view is computed using a SQL query. Come to the next question. The language used in application programs to request data from the DBMS is referred to as DML, DDL, DCL, or none of the above. See, we are requesting the data, that means we are fetching the data. So which command we will use? We will use the select command, and select command is a part of DML statements, right? So the right option is data manipulation language command. Come to the next question. The command to eliminate a table from a database is remove table, drop table, delete table, or update table. So we are eliminating the table from our database. So the command for that is drop table command, because it will remove the data from a table and it will also remove the structure of the table from the database. Come to the next question. The SQL keywords is used with wildcard. Options are like, in, not in and not in. C. Right option is like. Like is generally used with a wildcard. You can say percentile. For string matching we use the like keyword, and for that we use the percentile option. So A is the right option. Alright, so that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session with the next set of questions. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and we will meet in the next session.